Now for the diabetes reversal, what we are targeting? The question comes is diabetes reversal a right term? Again, it's a misnomer. It's too much of claim. डायबिटीज़ को भी हम ओबेसिटी की तरह से अगर हम क्रोनिक, अब हम इसमें रेमेटिक रिलैप्सिंग को ऐड कर सकते हैं. इट कैन ऑल्सो बी टेकन एज अ क्रोनिक रेमेटिक रिलैप्सिंग डिजीज प्रोबेबली. फाइन. So till now whatever has been done in terms of saying the diabetes reversal is too much of claim, or we cannot claim. As doctors we have to wait at least for next 10 to 15 years and to follow all these patients who have been on any protocol or any procedure in that way, including the bariatric surgery, so called metabolic surgery, whether their all the metabolic profile, not only sugar, and all the complications of diabetes have reversed or not. If that is the situation, then we are saying that diabetes reversal has been done. Till then we will only say that diabetes control, or we will say that the remission from the medication. In today's world, whatever being discussed all everywhere, what are the criteria to say something to be diabetic reversal? What are the criteria? One is no or minimum medication, and blood sugars are managed. But do you think these two are the sufficient enough criteria to say that diabetes is under control? Because diabetes is beyond sugar. I wish diabetes would be only sugar. Because sugar control in diabetic still we are able to do with whatever medications we do and lifestyle modification in 50% of people. But even those patients who are having controlled blood sugar, they too get complications of diabetes. Definitely at a lesser rate than the uncontrolled sugar, but they do get. But that gives a clue that only the blood sugar is not the key thing for the diabetes. The only reason why sugar is being given so much importance, that it is undoubtedly the excess of it, and second, it is easily manageable, easily measurable. Blood sugar is one thing out of everything of diabetes which we can measure every day. So therefore it becomes our objective evidence of control, like blood pressure in a cardiac patient. It is simply an objective thing. Okay, one of the parameter we are seeing and we are thinking things are okay. Fine, sir. Now intermittent fasting and twice a day food, or once a day food, or every 2 hours of food, all of them are focused toward only one thing, and one thing is the restriction of, initially it was restriction of calories. Now it is a misleading thing what is happening. हाँ, ये कल जो हम बात कर रहे थे वो एक है ना, एक शख्स जो आता है वो बोलता है कि ये मैंने इसमें ये देखिए, मैंने ये पानी लिया, उसमें मैंने शुगर डाला, अब इसको मैंने मेजर किया ग्लूकोमीटर पर और मेजर किया तो ये देखिए शुगर कितना आया 350. अब मैंने इसके अंदर ये आधा, एकदम हाफ ऑफ द कप मैंने इसमें फ्रूट जूस डाला और जो स्मूदी डाला, अब मैंने इसको दोबारा मिलाया सेम उसके अंदर, अब आप देखिए शुगर कितना आ गया 90. तो ये जितने भी डॉक्टर्स हैं जो दुनिया के अंदर है, और ये फार्मा इंडस्ट्री है, और ये है, पता नहीं, डॉक्टर्स हैव बिकम सो सॉफ्ट टारगेट फॉर एवरीबडी ऑन दिस इन दिस वर्ल्ड. डॉक्टर साहब, तो उसमें उन्होंने डाला फ्रूट, ठीक है, फिर उसको निकाला, बोला ये 95 शुगर. पॉइंट नंबर 1. क्योंकि उस वीडियो के चलने के बाद मुझको इतने मैसेजेस आए कि मैंने फिर एक मैसेज टाइप कर लिया, आपको भी भेज दूंगा वो मैं, और फिर मैं वही कॉपी पेस्ट करके भेज देता हूँ. ओके, वो जो ग्लूकोज उन्होंने चेक किया, इट इज़ बाय ग्लूकोमीटर. एंड प्लीज़ लेट अस बी वेरी क्लियर, उनको फ्रक्टोसामीन चेक करना चाहिए. दे शुड चेक फ्रक्टोसामीन, राइट? दे चेक, so they are trying to check the sugar with the glucometer, which will tell only the glucose concentration of that, and glucometer doesn't tell you about the glucose content. Glucometer tells you about the glucose concentration. There is a difference between the content and the concentration. You got it? उसमें ग्लूकोज उतना ही था, उसने एक तो वॉल्यूम ऐड, अगर मैं उसमें पानी भी मिलाता ना, मैं उसमें पानी भी ऐड करता, सिर्फ फ्रूट तो आप छोड़ दीजिए, तो भी वो कम आता. There is something called as dilutional hypoglycemia. We all know that. There is something called as dilutional, and these people are just making बाय जस्ट फ्यू थिंग्स ना, फ्यू फैक्ट को लेकर के दे आर डिस्टॉर्टिंग एंड यूटिलाइजिंग इट। अब आ जाते हैं हम फ्रक्टोज की बात पर, कल हमने बात की थी। देयर इज़ नो डाउट अबाउट इट दैट फ्रक्टोज when given is going to decrease the blood sugar concentration. It is beyond doubt, and it is not what he is telling, it is a well known medical fact, it is in your medical literature textbook, it is there. Fructose intake definitely decreases the HbA1c, it decreases that, but the basic problem with the fructose और हाई फ्रक्टोज डाइट, अदरवाइज जितने भी सुक्रोज डाइट पर हैं पूरे के पूरे दुनिया के अंदर, वो सब तो आज महान होते हैं, क्योंकि तो हाई फ्रक्टोज डाइट का प्रॉब्लम है कि द हाई फ्रक्टोज जो है इट इज़ मेटाबोलाइज्ड ओनली बाय द लिवर. So when you are providing a very high fructose to the body, you are bombarding liver a lot. Point number one. Okay. Point number two, fructose bypasses that rate limiting step of glycolysis which we were talking about, the phosphofructokinase. So the fructose is available and not checked by any system in the body, and gives lot of acetyl CoA for fatty acid synthesis. And so if you go for a long term long term on fruits, only on the fruit diet, you are going to get paradoxically high triglyceride level. Now it is a paradox, right? We will never imagine this. So this is a problem with the high fructose diet. डायबिटीज़ रेमिशन पर, रिवर्सल की बात नहीं करते, रेमिशन की बात पर आ जाते हैं. तो लाइक आई स्टार्टेड विद माई टॉक विद दैट नथिंग इज़ ऑल ब्लैक, नथिंग इज़ ऑल वाइट, एवरीथिंग इज़ ग्रे, एंड वी ऑल शुड स्टे अवे फ्रॉम क्लेमिंग. क्लेमिंग इज़ वन थिंग जिससे हमको सबको दूर रहना चाहिए. हमें क्लेम कुछ नहीं करना चाहिए, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग हैज़ अ फ्लिप साइड, एवरीथिंग हैज़ अ गुड साइड. अब हम बात करते हैं कि यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ fruits to manage your blood sugar or diabetes or manage your weight, obesity, दोनों में. So is fruit all bad? No, it is not all bad. What is the recommendation of the fruit intake by the diabetes associations worldwide? 400 grams per day. That is, up till that you can have it. Okay. So if you are going on a fruit diet, say for example you are consuming more, so what happens is when you consume the fruit and vegetable before your meal, this is what they claim. First is you have already done the fullness of your stomach, so your intake of food goes down. That is the point number one. Point number two, fructose and glucose, they also compete with each other. वो दोनों compete भी करते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ में. It's the second thing. Third is fructose, mainly the smoothie way or maybe the fruit way, being the raw, the energy utilization for absorption of the raw food is a bit more. So there is a negative energy. So the energy is utilized in the intestine just for the absorption, but it is not very significant, but it is there. तीसरा ये हो गया. तो पहला क्या काम हो गया कि आपने ग्लूकोज का लोड कम कर दिया, विच इज़ इंडीड अ गुड थिंग, राइट. दूसरा आपने क्या काम किया कि आपने जो रिफाइंड फूड है उसका इनटेक कम कर दिया, राइट. फ्रूट्स आर नॉट कैलोरी डेंस फूड. उसके बाद में आपने जो खाना खाया इट इज़ नॉट लाइक यू वॉन्ट बी एबल टू कंज्यूम लॉट ऑफ कैलोरी डेंस फूड आफ्टर दैट. लेकिन फ्रूट का सिर्फ एक ही प्रॉब्लम है कि फ्रूट सटाइटी पर बहुत देर तक काम नहीं करता है. सो यू कैन ईट फ्रूट नाउ एंड अगेन यू विल फील हंग्री आफ्टर 1 hour और सो, राइट. अगर आप उसको कंट्रोल कर पा रहे हो देन देयर इज़ नो प्रॉब्लम, फाइन. सो दीज आर द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल. नाउ फाइनल आउटकम क्या लिया आपने कैलोरी कंट्रोल किया, आपने ग्लूकोज लोड कंट्रोल किया, आपने एब्जॉर्प्शन पर काम किया. ये तीनों काम करके आपने फाइनली ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल को एक नॉर्मल लेवल पर लाके खड़ा कर दिया. दिस वाज योर ऑब्जेक्टिव थिंग व्हाट यू वांटेड टू सेल एंड यू सोल्ड इट. लेकिन जब भी हम डायबिटीज़ की बात करते हैं, व्हेनेवर वी स्पीक अबाउट डायबिटीज़, हम खाली ग्लूकोज की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. So when we follow these patients for next 3 months, 6 months, and we start finding the high triglyceride in them, then it becomes a problem. Because one culprit, okay, you played well, but उसके लिए आपने दूसरे को खड़ा कर दिया आगे. Now you are fighting with the triglyceride. That is point number 1. Point number 2 is, for experimental basis everything is good. Water only diet कीजिए, आपको किसी दवा की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But for how long you are going to do this? Point number 2, right? Now point number 3, vegan. आप vegan diet कीजिए, your sugars and everything will start coming down. But what about the other complications? Point number 3. And point number 4, whatever is being promoted here and there, they are on their personal experience, not even experiences, observation. In 1 or 2 people they saw, they are very, very happy. I give you one very good example. Most of the patients on AKT, diabetes with AKT, in our clinic, their insulin requirement is going 0. I am surprised. I wanted to put it forward. I will talk to some of them. I know this is what I really observed. The first patient, like initially I never thought about all this, but I got a first patient who was on insulin. Okay, first patient mean where I really started observing this particular thing. पहले सोचा ही नहीं इस बारे में, क्योंकि पेशेंट ट्यूबरक्लोसिस, AKT, तो इन एनी वे वी डोंट भाई दवा लो अपना ठीक रहो. अब डायबिटीज़ विद AKT, patient was on a high dose insulin, Dr. Raj, initially. Even during tuberculosis, high dose on insulin. Sugar not getting controlled even at that time. Patient put on AKT by the pulmonary physician. After patient started AKT, sugar level started dropping down. The dose of insulin, which was quite significant, came down to 6 units 3 times a day. Then 6 units 2 times a day. Then 6 units, because we as doctor, we also, हमको डर लगता है ना कि पूरा कैसे हम wean off कर दें. No insulin at all. Glyciphage, then you will supplement with something. Glyciphage from 500 milligram twice a day to 500 milligram. Then 250 milligram and 0. So during this 6 months or 8 months or 6 months period, insulin requirement comes down, I have observed, came down to 0, and I was like surprised. But I did not give much attention to that first observation of mine. ठीक है, हो गया होगा, खाना नहीं खा पा रहे होंगे, जो भी है. And as soon as the AKT was over, within next couple of weeks, again the glucose started becoming higher and patient was again back on insulin. And dose started going high. Pehla observation. Second patient, similar situation. Sugar not controlled. So first was a male patient, second is a female patient. Okay. Sugar not getting controlled. Insulin and all the OHAs possible. Patient contracted tuberculosis. AKT was started. Within few days of AKT, patients are complaining of hypoglycemia. Patient tank पीने लग गई. Literally I am telling you. Okay. And whatever I am telling you, I will give you evidence right away. Here itself. Now, so first, what will you do? You will stop insulin. We stopped insulin. Patient was still on OHA. Still hypoglycemia continued. Blood sugar 65. Again, we decreased OHA. We continued metformin. Again hypoglycemia. Finally, today, I am talking about today, patient is on 0 anti-diabetic drugs. 0 means 0. Not able to tolerate even glyciphage, metformin. No insulin, no metformin, patient is on AKT. I should not disclose the identity of the patient, but on camera I can definitely not do, but once this camera is off, I will tell you about the patient also. So what does it mean? Is there something in some AKT out of this which has a hypoglycemic effect? Can that AKT, I have not studied it further, I will definitely try to find out, can that AKT be a novel intervention for the blood sugar control tomorrow?
Sir, infection can cause increase.
लेकिन after that, so that's what I was thinking, कि infection can cause the increased sugar, and once the infection was once the infection was, no, tuberculosis itself, but once the infection was under control, the sugar was getting under control. ये thought में मेरे को भी आया, लेकिन once the AKT was, now the tuberculosis is treated, AKT is on, again, and as soon as AKT was stopped, sugar started again shooting up. So maybe out of those some of the other AKT might be causing hypoglycemia. अभी मेरा तो observation आ गया, अभी मैं यहाँ खड़े होके बोल दूँ phenomenal effect, diabetes reversal with an AKT. Does it really make sense? Now it is my observation. I can share with all the researchers I am not a researcher. I am not. My observation I'll share with somebody, and please, maybe I can get answer just in one line from somebody. They might be knowing it. This is important, sir. Right? So this AKT. Now, so when we talk about this, now I'll again come back to the diabetes reversal part of yours. So whatever is being claimed like this way, okay, you have lot of fruit before you go for your food, your sugar will be under control. Undoubtedly, they all have shown, it is shown in the blood sugar, but not in the complications of diabetes. Okay, so diabetes can be reversed, not reversed, can be we can go in the remission phase of diabetes only by the modalities by which we decrease the food intake of the patient, and very importantly, in a diabetic, these lipolytic pathways, type 1, and now here comes type 1 diabetics and type 2 diabetics. In type 1 diabetics, the lipolytic pathways are very active. So by any mean, if you can control these lipolytic pathways of the type 1 diabetic, then you can get the patient in the remission phase. In type 2 diabetes, the lipogenic pathways are dominating. So and you can control the lipogenic pathway much better than the lipolytic pathway by your interventions. It is easier to control the lipogenic pathway compared to the lipolytic pathway, right? So type 2 diabetes are the one what we all say that they can be reversed if you really get hold of them in the initial stage. Right, sir? Now, in them, type 2 diabetes, forget about any protocol. You design your own protocol. आप अपना प्रोटोकॉल डिजाइन कीजिए विद द बेसिक प्रिंसिपल. अब बेसिक प्रिंसिपल क्या है? हमको उनका सबसे पहला वेट लॉस करना है. 10% ऑफ फैट लॉस itself gives a benefit in the blood sugar level and HbA1c. आपको 10% उसका फैट लॉस करना है. हाई कार्बोहाइड्रेट डाइट इज इन एनी वे there for the weight management and also there for the diabetes management. The high carbohydrate is culprit for weight as well as diabetes. So आपको low carbohydrate diet पे रखना है. Low carbohydrate diet, lot of people are not very comfortable going on a complete low carbohydrate diet. I'm talking about your diabetes type 2 patient. So there you can go with the low glucose and a moderate fructose diet. The fructose should not be that much the way he is telling, 700 grams or 800 grams a day. So you are going for a fructose like almost about, not fructose per se, but the fructose rich food. You are going for almost about 100 grams to 200 grams, because your main target is again not only the losing weight. Here you are also targeting for an objective evidence of decreasing blood sugar. So that is absolutely fine. But you have to control the lipogenesis. So definitely you don't want to go overboard on a very high fructose diet. So you are giving a moderate fructose rich, I mean to say the raw food things to the patient. Clear? Now after that, then you decide restriction of calories you have done, restriction of glucose you have done. The fat you are providing mainly from the unfried part. So you are telling the patient not to take the fried fat. So no food to be given in the form of frying, because as soon as keto diet also comes in, दिमाग में fat आता है तो public खुश, non-vegetarians तो बड़े खुश, अभी chicken fry भी मिलेगा, fish fry भी मिलेगा, right? So basic principle is nothing should be fried. You don't have to have a trans fat. Trans fat again will cause more of glucose intolerance, and diabetes complication will go higher with trans fat. So you are not against adding the fat from above. And here comes the role of the people. Lot of places, the 2 spoons of coconut oil or 2 spoons of flaxseed oil or 2 spoons of oil as this is being promoted a lot, which is okay. So everything has got it. Again, I see everything as grey. Fine. So you are saying that you are going to eat only 2 times a day. You are now adding up everything together. So 2 times a day, morning is your breakfast, and or maybe you are having a brunch, and then you are having your early dinner, and you are giving a fasting period of minimum 16 hours between the two. That's what you are telling. Calorie you have restricted, divided the calorie between the two. So breakfast is a bit more compared to the evening food, and then a long fasting. Again, never do this for type 1 diabetes. No diet, no whatever name you have taken, nothing for a type 1 diabetes. Please let type 1 diabetes be managed by the way they are being managed, right? They already have insulin deficiency. Now when they already have insulin deficiency, what more you want to give? वो एक अलग सिचुएशन है. वहाँ पर ओबेसिटी इज मोर ऑफ ड्रग इंड्यूस्ड ओबेसिटी इन टाइप 1 डायबिटीज. इट इज इंसुलिन इंड्यूस्ड, OHA इंड्यूस्ड. देयर यू हैव टू प्ले, राइट? Calorie restriction to a very significant extent in a type 1 diabetes can be detrimental because they are not able to even consume the ketones. Ketones also need some amount of insulin in the body. So उसको हम साइड में अलग से कर देते हैं. So यहाँ पर आपने पहले कैलोरी को कम किया, टारगेट आपने वेट लॉस को ही रखा है. क्लियर? 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड कर दिया. फ्रूट बिकॉज नाउ इट इज ऑलरेडी देयर इन योर माइंड, सो यू आर एडिंग अप एंड अदर कंपोनेंट विल गो डाउन, राइट? फैट, you know that, so whatever fruit you have given, you have to take the calorie out, and the remaining calorie you are giving from the whatever the cooked food patient is making, and the remaining from the fat from above. What fat you can add from above is preferably is the plant oil. Flaxseed oil is something can be used, okay, right? So you are tell them to make the preparation whatever way they can have. If there is a non-vegetarian, have grilled. If they are vegetarians, so you don't again have much of the option. Then here you are again going to paneer. हालांकि dairy, lot of people say that not very favorable in diabetes, but here you can. So you go with paneer, small dose of paneer, and then whatever vegetables we have spoken yesterday, and remaining fat you are adding from above. So 1 in the morning, 1 in the evening, you are done. Now when you are not providing glucose from outside, type 2 diabetes I am talking about, patient is having enough insulin in the body. So first is when you are not giving enough glucose from outside, insulin is going to go down. Calorie restriction you are already giving to the patient in whatever form you are doing. So fatty acid oxidation is going to happen. TGs are going to get broken like in any other obese individual. The difference between these two was only the glucose level were different in both. And after some point of time, but these patients will go again in gluconeogenesis. Patient who are already diabetic, type 2, in them gluconeogenic pathway is very predominant. आप समझ रहे हैं? कुछ टाइम के बाद ये सारी कहानी जितनी भी है ना, फ्रूट सब घूम पे फिर ग्लूकोज आ जाता है, because that pathway is a problem in them. Now that gluconeogenesis in them happen with the protein. So therefore you cannot simply go with all this vegan and all. So you have to add up some protein to those people. Got it? And now you know that how much fat you want to give to an individual. You say that, okay, I want to give, say first you say that I want to give only 1000 calorie to a patient for whatever reason. Now at 1000 calorie and you are thinking of giving from fruit, giving from fat, giving from protein, right? And some vegetables and all. This is what you have thought in your mind. I am talking about people who are fascinated about the fruit. You say that I will not give more than 100 to 200 grams of fruit per day. So 2 apples per day maybe. So you know the calorie content of that will be about 200 calories, right? So 200 calories you are giving from the fruit. Now you come to the fat. So out of 800 calories, say 50% you want to give from the fat. If you are going for the typical that keto diet and all, so 50% का मतलब हो गया 400 calories minimum you are giving from the fat. So 400 calories will be how much fat? 400 divided by 9, right? 400 divided by 9 is how much? Is about 45. So 55. So about 55 gram of fat you are giving. So 100 grams of fruit, 55 grams of fat. So how much? Now this has happened. 400 plus 200, 600. You have 200 calories more. So if you are providing those 200 calories, now you have to have protein. Now 200 calories, 100 calories minimum you are giving from, or maybe 120 calories you are giving from the protein. So 120 calories will minimum 30 grams. So 30 gram minimum has to come from the protein. It should be more than that. And the remaining what you have, 80 calories you are giving from other carbohydrate, the vegetable. The vegetable can be methi, because methi is otherwise considered to be good for diabetes, palak and all those things. So 80 grams of carbohydrate you have to take from them. Got it? So you know that conversion which is in the chart, and with this you make the plan for the patient. Now, but again, question is about the pathophysiology of diabetes. Is it only insulin? Do you know about pheochromocytoma induced diabetes? We all know that. Yes, it is. There are diabetes is not only and only insulin. काश अगर ऐसा भी तो नहीं है ना, तभी तो we have now insulin oriented diabetes medication and non insulin oriented diabetes medication. And when we are working on non insulin oriented diabetes medication, that means insulin is not the only culprit of diabetes. So diabetes is complex. Have you heard of dirty dozen of diabetes? What is dirty dozen of diabetes? So dirty dozen of diabetes is high glucose, high glucagon, low insulin, high aldosterone, low testosterone. अब आपका ये घी आपका ये फ्रक्टोज खा के टेस्टोस्टेरोन कहाँ से बनेगा उस पेशेंट के अंदर? मैं डायबिटीज़ की बात कर रहा हूँ. हाइपरग्लाइसीमिया वर्सेस डायबिटीज़ is similar to a bit more weight compared to obesity. Managing hyperglycemia and managing diabetes are two different entities, similar to managing the weight versus managing obesity. मैं आपको कुछ भी खिला के शुगर सेम रख सकता हूँ, ये कोई कह सकता है? ऊपर से शुगर खिलाया, बाद में भर के अकार्बोज खिला दिया. पेशेंट को माल एब्सॉर्प्शन है शुगर का, ग्लूकोज का, वो खा रहा है शुगर लेकिन बढ़ ही नहीं रहा शुगर. ऐसे भी तो पेशेंट मिलते हैं हमको. इंसुलिनोमा का पेशेंट है, कितना भी मिठाई, उसको कहते हैं दिन भर मिठाई खाओ, राइट? सो 5, देन विटामिन डी, राइट? 6 हो गए, बाकी 6 क्या हैं? एल्डोस्टेरोन बोला मैंने, ओके. प्रोलैक्टिन. सो द रोल ऑफ ब्रोमोक्रिप्टिन इन डायबिटीज मैनेजमेंट. So prolactin. Whenever you are talking about diabetes management, you have to talk about all 12 of them, which cannot be taken care only by the calorie restriction of fruit eating or whatever. Got it? But when you talk about glucose control, yes, twice a day regime, calorie restricted regime, with or without fruit. But a glucose restriction is definitely going to give improvement in terms of the blood sugar level. Point number 1. Very high fructose diet in terms of even the very high amount of fruits and all can also give you a control of the blood sugar, but in the long term will give you the lipogenesis and the bad effect on the lipid profile, which itself is detrimental in diabetes. ये दो चीज़ें हो गई. Okay, vegan diet is not a solution of diabetes, so let's not even worth talking at this point of time. So this is about that prolonged fasting after like 16 hours of fasting.